Companies that make single-use plastic products are taking the federal government to court. It's the first big legal test of the government's ban on items such as takeout cutlery and drinking straws. The CBC's David Thurton takes us through day one of the trial.
A small protest for what is a big court case. A fight, they say, between nature and the big plastic lobby.
This is one of the largest environmental cases for Canada. It's similar to when the government was looking for a price on carbon and carbon pollution.
The case touches on the federal government's justification for listing plastics as toxic. Hanging in the balance is Ottawa's ability to ban single-use plastic items, something shoppers have now embraced, some reluctantly.
Now they're bringing back paper bags, which is hard to carry, Plastic bags are more convenient. You can carry it around. It's strong. Paper is it's ridiculous. I mean, it can rip in the snow.
I think it's great. It's pretty easy to bring your own bags. Backpacks especially, it's not too bad. So I think it's a really great step.
A federal judge is hearing arguments from governments, environmental groups, and plastic companies. Lawyers for Imperial Oil, Dow Chemical, and others say they don't oppose reducing pollution, just the way the government is going about doing it. According to a legal brief the plastics industry filed in court, the federal government's plan has fatal flaws. Among those, it says it's not the federal government's place to regulate plastics. It's the provinces and territories. The government's decision to regulate all plastic products, it says, may be motivated by laudable goals like diverting waste from landfills. However, those goals must be pursued in accordance with the Constitution. The companies also say the federal government doesn't have enough science to back up the plastics ban. But Ottawa points to plastics littering rivers, even ending up in the water we drink.
We won't be deterred by a few international companies, multinationals, who are looking at their economic interest instead of looking at the greater interest of Canadians and the environment.
All of this is being weighed by a federal court judge, knowing that their decision, still a couple of months away, could in effect overturn the government's single-use plastic ban. David Thurton, CBC News, Ottawa.